Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the outfits that I wore to revival at our church here recently. I feel like it's obvious, but maybe worth mentioning. The most important thing about revival is not the clothes that you wear there. It's about things that you experience by gaining a closer relationship with God. But you all love when I share modest outfits with you, so I thought you would enjoy seeing what I wore during the week. So without further ado, let's get into the outfits. My skirt is from Gap, and my shoes are from Forever 21, and my shirt is from Ross. It's got these cream and green polka dots. My hair is cold. I fixed my hair in 5 minutes and it looks awful. So this is Monday. This outfit is from Zaful, both the sweater and the skirt. And if you haven't seen my Zaful haul, I will link that down below, so make sure you check that out. I'm wearing this mock neck sweater. It's like balloon sleeve. This skirt with these white boots from Charlotte Rouge. I absolutely love these boots. It's really windy outside and cold, so I was going for a more warmer outfit tonight. This sweater is from Kohl's and I bought it last winter. This skirt is from Charlotte Rouge and I bought it this fall. And these shoes are from Forever 21 on repeat again. I used the Wavy hair tutorial on my channel and I just did like smaller pieces, so that's why it's more curly. And I've been using this new shampoo and it's been like, my hair has been curling really good ever since I switched to this shampoo. So I'm gonna have to share that with you all. My shirt is from Loft Outlet and I just love this shirt. I love that Loft has extra small petite, and that's what this is. So that's why it actually fits me. So I love this shirt so much. This skirt is from Banana Republic and I think it is so cute. I finally got me one of these skirts and I had to get it hemmed and I had to get it taken in on the side to get it to fit me, but I got this on clearance at Banana Republic, so I got it for a great deal. And my shoes are Jessica Simpson and I love these shoes. These are my absolute favorite shoes. Today is Valentine's Day and so I wore pink as my Valentine's Day outfit. This Chanel sweater is from Forever 21. This skirt is from ASOS and I absolutely love it. It's like a satiny, silky material and it's high-waist skirt and I just think it is so cute. I love it. And my shoes are repeat again from Ross. They're Jessica Simpson. They just go with everything. I realized that I wore like a white or cream sweater like most of the nights, but I just love white. And my hair is kind of like my Valentine's Day inspired hair tutorial, but it didn't turn out as good, but you get the point. So this is my last Friday night outfit.